Hi friends, this is activity 3 for math. Your learning goal is comparing numbers. Greater than, less than, or equal to. This activity here is an example of how to compare numbers. You have Emily has 8 apples, Chris has 4. Which is bigger? Emily's is bigger. She has 8. 8 is greater than 4. So you would put the arrow to the right. This second example is Emily has 3 footballs. Chris has 7. 3 is less than 7. So you will make the arrow go to the left. This last example, Emily has 6 leaves. Chris has 6 leaves. 6 and 6, they're both equal, so you'll do the equal sign. So with that information, you go to your actual activity and you start comparing numbers. For example, 40 and 39. Emily has 40 cardboard boxes. Chris has 39, which is greater. And then you put the sign. Greater than, you will make the arrow to go to the right. Less than, you make the arrow go to the left. And equal, you have 2 lines, one above the other. And once you've done each problem, you're finished.